What if you could put a meteorologist, a geologist, an environmentalist, and a financial advisor all in the same box? We believe we've done it at B-hyve. B-hyve saves you water, time, and money. Better yard care means you can fully control your hose faucet from anywhere using your smartphone. Set and forget your sprinklers to eliminate dead spots, grow your garden while on vacation, and even fill your dog's bowl from your office at work. Program your hose faucet by days of the week and use the built-in flow meter to know exactly how much water you're using. Plus, connect to local weather data to maintain a healthy green lawn all season long. The B-hyve Hose Faucet Timer is simple and smart. Just download the free, easy-to-use app, install the timer, turn on your water, and complete the quick setup. In just minutes, you're ready to convert your hose faucet into an automatic watering system. Make your home a B-hyve home today.